Imagine a world where algorithms aren't just coded, they are taught, evolving like a student in a classroom. That's essentially how supervised and unsupervised learning works. If you've ever wondered how machines can learn to think, predict, and analyze, then stay till the end of the video. First, let's briefly touch on what machine learning is. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence where machines learn from data rather than being explicitly programmed for every task. This ability to learn and adapt makes AI applications like safe driving cars or personalized recommendations possible. Now, let's talk about supervised learning. Imagine a teacher guiding a student. Well, that's what happens here. In supervised learning, we feed the algorithm labeled data. This means the data comes with answers, like a quiz with the correct responses marked. The algorithm then learns to predict the output from the input data. This is commonly used in applications like spam detection, where the machine learns from a dataset of labeled emails. Okay, so what about unsupervised learning? Here, there's no teacher and no answers. The algorithm is given data without any labels and learns to identify patterns and relationships on its own. It's like giving a child a bunch of toys and letting them figure out how to group them. Unsupervised learning is great for exploratory analysis, like customer segmentation in marketing. The key difference between the two lies in the data they use. Supervised learning needs labeled data, while unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data. Another difference is their applications. Supervised learning is typically used for prediction, whereas unsupervised learning is used for analysis and discovering insights. Despite these differences, they share some similarities. Both are methods of teaching machines to learn from data, and both are vital in the AI field. They often complement each other. For instance, unsupervised learning can be used to explore and understand data which can then be labeled for supervised learning tasks. Let's take a real-world example to illustrate these concepts. Imagine a music streaming service. It can use supervised learning to predict what songs or artists a user might like based on their past listening history, which is labeled data. Meanwhile, it could use unsupervised learning to group songs into genres without predefined labels, helping in music discovery. Basically, both supervised and unsupervised learning have their unique strengths and applications. Understanding their differences and similarities helps us appreciate how AI systems are trained and the immense potential they hold. If you want to delve deeper into these topics, check out our article linked in the description or in our web at smowltech.net. At Smowltech, we develop a proctoring solution, Smowl, that uses machine learning and artificial intelligence to help businesses and educational institutions guarantee integrity on their digital and online assessments. We hope this video helped you gain insight into supervised and unsupervised learning. If you liked it, please give us a like and share the video. See you in the next one.